Hi.
Hi, I'm Dimitri. I'm gonna introduce our MEG room, and as you can see, here's our MEG Maestro 900R. It's a PCB, and you can see it's all the innovation design, and you can see the liquid cooling and the chest, the PSU and motherboard. All of this we got.
How does the liquid cooling work?
Without
How does it work, the liquid cooling there? What is going on top here?
top, no?
What is this up here?
You mean here?
Yeah, I'm just trying to understand this. So there's like
No, it's
I can
just
feel-
a design.
it's just design.
Yeah, it's a design.
There's cool air coming out on
Yeah,
top,
yeah,
and on the back here, and
Yeah.
you say overpower with innovation.
yeah. And these are four. We all of these got the radar design, and I can show you to that part.
Okay.
And you can see this part is a radar design this year and this year 2026, and the chest, and this one is 2025 radar work.
Nice. So this is a PSU.
Yeah, it's a PSU.
This is what is going on here.
Motherboard is a godlike, so you can see it's a panel here.
Godlike.
Yeah, godlike. This one.
It's like the best motherboard.
Yes.
It's like God. And then Unify
The
X.
Unify X is for overclocking.
And how does it work for the overclocking? It just has more.
It have a remote. You don't need to go to the BIOS, and you can do the OC setting.
It's safe to overclock.
Yeah.
The
And,
CPU will never burn.
Yeah, and here you can see there's our new MEG CORELIQUID E15 360, and the special feature is it has a cooling safeguard. If you have one thing fail like this, it stop. It will flash the red line, and this too will go boost. And when you remove some object or something, it will go back to normal, like this.
Cool.
And this also is come with a Pogo-pin and magnet, so you don't need to with another cable to connect your motherboard. And all of this, we just use one cable. It's a Type C to the, like here, the JF2. JF2 is connected with our MSI motherboard. So only one cable, you can control the display and PWM and ARGB and pump.
Wow.
Yeah, and we also do a lot of innovation like this. When you can see the fan like this, the middle one is a different between another two. So this one is like this one like this.
That makes it more
We designed
efficient,
it
right?
in order to let the airflow is more smooth and reduce the turbulence. And also do a lot of aluminum design, not only the plastic one. So to let you feel more premium experience.
Nice.
Yeah, and this chest is you can see before we have a PCB. Yeah, it's a very huge one.
How much it cost? Just the chest.
这个是699 699
US dollar?
US dollar, yeah.
That's not so much, is it?
Yeah, I think so. I hope. And this one is our MPG Vista 300 airflow. We have two vision. One is airflow vision. Another one is that one is a PCB. It's a TG vision.
Can you explain this one?
Yeah, this one is the TG vision. It's come with two 140 fan in the side and a 120 fan in the rear, in the back.
Nice.
And you can put something here. Yeah.
You can put some cool
And to
stuff there.
let the airflow is more smooth from the bottom to the top. And we can go that way to introduce the mesh vision. And you can see here, all of the design we use 203. And here is different with TG Vision. It comes with two 160 fan in the front, already pre-installed, and 120 fan. And this also uses the Pogo-pin design here.
Wow, you have Pogo-pins all over, everywhere.
Yeah, so you don't need to with a long cable here.
Nice.
Yeah.
I love Pogo-pins. You also like it?
Yeah, the Pogo-pin is really convenient to install. Okay, let's go quick to. Okay, anyway, it's our new PSU, the MPG segment, and you can see we also have the special feature is a CPU Safeguard Plus. Why we call it Plus? Plus one is you can see here we have a software to you can see the
if it overheats, you get a warning.
Yes.
You get a shutdown.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. And here you can see the MPG CORELIQUID AP15. AP15. The most important is it's a huge one, right? But you still can install the full brand. Yeah, usually like this. And you have to remove your fan or something like that. But right now, you don't need to move anything. And when you want to take off or install, just use the long screwdriver to here. You don't need to take off the fan. Yeah, so it's our easy DIY. It also comes with the digital display.
Nice.
Yeah, and this part, you can see our new MPG CORELIQUID P22 360. And here, the most want to say is an easy cap. Easy cap, because usually you install on the motherboard, you will see a lot of screw, right? And here, the bracket is a uni bracket, so the AMD and the Intel is the same bracket, so you don't need to change it. And you can use this easy cap cover to hide everything. Yeah, it's look more clean. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah. And
cool.
Let's move this.
Yeah.
I think this one is better. And this one is our CORELIQUID A23 360 white. And you can see the fan design is a new fan design. It's a knife blade here. The shape is that looks like this to reduce the noise and the more pressure, air pressure. And it's come with a fabric you can touch. It's a fabric.
Nice.
With
So you can actually control it with a touch?
Yeah, and it's an easy digital display also here.
Nice. That's cool.
Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Yeah.
So thanks for showing all these.
Yeah.
And a lot of work is happening in this segment at the MSI.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.